Good morning! So for today's video, I just want to share with you guys my traveling backpack. Napakaganda ng quality niya. That's why I decided na dito ko na ilalagay itong mga traveling patches ko that I've been collecting for so many years since I started traveling. Dahil na-inlove ako sa backpack na to, I think deserve niya na ito na yung maging traveling backpack namin in the future. Before making a video for this backpack, ginamit namin to from our previous trip to Boracay and kasyang-kasya ang gamit ni Daddy dito na good for 4 days and 3 nights. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano karaming t-shirts ang nalagay ko dito, plus may space pa ako for my toiletries and my medicine kit. Parang maleta may buckle pa yan to keep your things organized. Now, let me show you all the pockets na meron dito. Meron tayong lagay ng tumbler with buckle, meron ditong pocket sa ibabaw. Para sa mga bagay na dapat easy access, we have 3 front pockets na pwede nyong paglagyan ng passport, ng cellphone, at kung ano-ano pa. And for those who travels with gadgets like laptop and iPad, meron din tayong lagayan dyan. May mga compartments pa para sa accessories at may hidden pocket pa to na hindi ko na ipapakita dito sa video. May mga buckle din tong bag na to, and this is also expandable, plus may lagayan pa ng shoes dito with ventilation. It's so intentional. So as you can see, we can fit so much in this backpack. You can carry it like this. Plus it has the buckle here that gives extra support kapag mabigat yung binubuhat mo. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa sa luggage na to. Pwede mo rin siyang isukbit ng ganyan sa yung hand carry luggage. So I got this in black and I also got this in beige, which is also super nice. I love it. Lalagay ko na lang yung link. Bye!